Namaste beloved friends. Today we are going to do the beginner Kundalini yoga session. So this is very basic of the Kundalini yoga, very easy to practice. Anyone can practice it, like in the morning you can practice or in the evening you can practice, and it's giving very good result if you practice it continuous. It takes just 20-30 minutes every day and you can practice in your daily routine. So we will start with the mantra. It's called Om Namo Gurudev Namo. So we will remember all the Guru, all the Divine Master, the Mother Nature through this mantra, and we will feel the connection to all the divine beings. So come to the prayer position. Inhale and exhale from the mouth. With the smile, inhale Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Gently drop the hands down. Feel your entire body in this present moment. Just be aware of the breathing and the body. Gently open your eyes. We start our first practice, the spinal rotation. So you can sit on the chair or you can sit on the floor, any good asana, particular asana which is good for you. So now you hold your knees and we start the spinal rotation. Come forward, right side, back, left side, then again forward. So as you go back, you inhale, and as you come front, exhale. So breathing and the movement is very important in the Kundalini yoga. Also we use the mantra also, but in this class I am just doing the breathing and the movement. So full circle, and here you close your eyes and feel this movement of rotation, full rotation of the spine, activating the spine, full circle, the clockwise rotation. Inhale half circle and exhale half circle. Inhale half circle and exhale half circle. Now change other direction. Same practice. Inhale half circle and exhale half circle. Working on the entire spine, especially the lower back muscles. Very easy practice and very effective. Very good. Last round. Now inhale, hold the breath. After inhalation, hold as long as you can, then release from the mouth. Eyes closed. Focus on your spine, the activation of the energy. Gentle smile on the face. Never forget the smile. It's best medicine. Open your eyes. Next practice we will do. So now you hold your calf muscles and we will again work on the spine. But remember here don't bend your head like this. So we are going like curving, making the cat cow, but the head is not moving. The head is in line with the spine like this. So inhale when you go back and exhale front. Inhale up and exhale back. Sidewise I will show you. Like this. Okay, ready? Close your eyes and start with me. Inhale, exhale front and inhale back. Deep inhale, exhale. Working on the spine, the most important part of our body. All the systems connect through the spine. All the endocrine glands are attached to the spine. Continue with the closed eyes. And after every practice we inhale deeply and hold the breath, so we can save our energy. Continue this beautiful morning. The birds are singing, dancing here and there. Gentle smile on the face. Without a smile, no practice. Whenever you remember or whenever you forget that you are not smiling, gentle smile, big smile. Last few round. Last round, inhale, hold the breath inside, hold as long as you can, then release from the mouth. Relax. Eyes close. After every practice and during the practice, we always close our eyes. This is the most important part of the Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini Yoga is very beautiful, designed by the great masters, Yogi Bhajan. So I am just giving you a demo, a glimpse of the Kundalini Yoga. Gently open the eyes. Next practice we will do. For that, you fold your palms. The thumb is touching backward and fingers are pointing forward, and elbows are parallel to the ground. They are not going up or down, down or up. They are not doing this. So they are parallel to the ground. So now inhale from the left and exhale forcefully to the right. This is the movement we do. We do slowly and then slowly increase the speed. So inhale from the left and exhale to the right. Inhale from the left, exhale to the right. So this we continue to do. Then I will say change. In the change position, you inhale from the right and exhale to the left. Inhale from the right and exhale from the left. So first stage, close your eyes, deep inhale and exhale. Start. Inhale from the left, exhale to the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Continuous movement, squeezing the spine. Full workout of the spine, left side and right side, activating both the hemisphere of the brain, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. All the workout of spine. Continue. Inhale from the left, exhale forcefully to the right. Eyes relax, facial muscle relax. Continue. Last few rounds. Now change. Inhale from the right, exhale to the left. Inhale from the right, exhale to the left. Inhale from the right, exhale to the left. Forceful exhalation. Don't bend your elbows parallel to the ground. Continue. We are just finishing few more round. Last round. Inhale, hold the breath inside, hold as long as you can, and release from the mouth. Relax. Gentle smile on the face. Smile always. In the pain also, in the pleasure also, in the day also, in the night also. When you are sad or happy, just give a smile to yourself and you will feel the change. Deep inhale, exhale one round. Next practice, open your eyes. For the next practice, you open your legs, fold your right leg from the knee and touch your heel to your perineum center in between the anus and the genitals, and spine is straight, and you catch hold of your toes. If you can't raise to your toes, catch hold of your calf muscle or knee, but don't bend your back. The back is straight completely, so I can bend this much only if my spine is straight, so I am here only. So just close your eyes and deep inhale and exhale here. Deeper inhale and more deeper exhale. If you can bend little bit more down, you can do, but just hold there. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Few more round. Fully inhale from the nose and exhale also from the nose. Very good. Slowly, without opening the eyes, change the leg. Again, hold your calf muscle or knees or toes and deep inhale, exhale. This very gentle practices but very effective. If you try this just half hour today with me, you will feel the completely change in your system, in your mind, in your breathing. So continue this practice without stopping. Many disturbances will come, the surrounding noise are coming, but don't give your focus, your attention to them. You focus yourself in this practice, in this present moment. If any kind of problem happening around, don't give your attention. This is your time. Use this time in a creative way, in a more healthier and happy way. Very good. Relax. Come back again. Next practice we will do. So come into the cat-cow posture. Sit on your heels, one hand distance between your knees. So how to measure? You fold your palms and measure the one hand distance between your knees. Okay. So now after that, one hand and one palm distance from your knees, like this. Then you come onto the cow posture. So here we do slow movement. As you exhale, bend your head. Inhale, take the head up and spine also curving down. Exhale, head is down and spine is curving upward. So this movement, very good. Like the cat always do this movement whenever you can see her. So start, close your eyes and start. Inhale up, exhale down. Full stretching of the spine. Working on the each and every vertebrae. Continue. Continue few more round. Fully inhale and exhale. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Up and down. Last round. Inhale and hold as long as you can, then exhale from the mouth. Now sit on the heels, forehead touching to the ground, and relax here completely. Feel that you are inhaling and exhaling from the forehead, and bring your all energy to the ground, all the head energy, all the activity of the mind, you bring it to the ground. This is the way to surrender completely on the lap of Mother Earth. Slowly come back. Last two practice we will do. So again come to the sitting posture, any comfortable sitting posture. The birds are singing around me. They are saying do practice, complete your practice, don't stop in middle. Yeah, the birds, so many birds are moving, flying like this. So we have to learn from the nature. We have to also sing and dance and rejoice. Okay, so let's start the next practice. So for the next practice, as you inhale, lift the shoulder up and exhale down with the smile. Don't forget the smile. Okay, so inhale and exhale and close the eyes also. So start. As you inhale, lift the shoulder up and drop down. Inhale, exhale. All our life is this inhalation and exhalation. We burn out when we inhale, and we die when we exhale. So in between the inhalation and the exhalation, there is life. Sorry, it's little cold weather now. And this also increase the immunity. So if you have any cold, it will not affect you. It release all the gas. The more you sneeze in a daytime, more your cold, more your gas will go out from the body, like the steam engine or the engine of the train or the truck or any vehicle, big vehicle. Smile and continue the moment. Without smiling, no life. So smile, smile and smile. Just make a fake smile. If it's not coming, if you are too miserable, if you are too sad, too depressed, too much stress you have, then you can make a stress smile, anxiety smile, depressive smile, miserable smile, but a smile at least. Last round, inhale, take the shoulder up, hold and exhale. Relax, eyes closed completely and relax in this moment. Feel the vibration in your entire body, in your hands, in your face, neck, feet, calf muscles, in your abdomen, in your chest, in your lungs, throat, neck, forehead. Then inhale, exhale, one round. Slowly open your eyes. The last practice we are going to do today, this is called breath of fire. Very important and very interesting to do. For the breath of fire, you put your hand on your stomach and open the tongue to learn the breath of fire, like the dog. If you see the dog, it's always doing like so, flapping the abdomen. Look at my abdomen, it's flapping. So I am inhaling and exhaling forcefully and tapping the stomach. So this is the practice, and we do this practice with the closed nostril, like okay. So this practice, the breath of fire, we will do in the eagle pose. This is the eagle pose. The hands are 60 degree and the thumbs is pointing upward and the fingers are towards the palm. So we start the breath of fire. Close your eyes and don't bend the hand down or up, and at the last, when I will say stop the practice, you will gently bring both the hand together. The big toe will touch each other and finger are also touching to each other, like this at the last. So gently come into the posture, close your eyes and start. Use your core muscles, the abdomen. This is the ego eradicator, to eradicate, to vanish all the ego. Gentle smile on the face and continue the practice. If you are pregnant or if you are in the menstruation cycle, you don't practice, you do only deep breathing. Only moving the abdomen. Continue. This is the immunity booster, generating the heat inside the body. Curing all the disease of the body. Last few rounds. Stop, inhale, bring both the thumb together and hold. Relax, gently drop the hands down. Feel the effect of breath of fire in your entire system. Focus on your body and slow and gentle breathing. No forceful breathing here. Just relax in this moment. This is the perfect moment. You can go for the meditation. You can sit or you can lie down in the Savasana, whatever you like, and just be there. Just connect to your energies inside the body energies, the healing energy we have generated in these practices. Very good practices, very easy and very effective. Relax completely if you are sitting or if you are lying down. Feel that all the body parts are relaxing deeper and deeper. The body is relaxed and the breath is also relaxed. No tension, nothing. With the smile on the face. Everyone likes the smiling face. You can practice more meditation. I have to do some other task also. So just rub your both fingers, both palms, generate the heat, massage your face, again rub from up to down all the chakras, all the body, activate the energy, activate from up to down, down to up, activate, 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 and massage every part of the body. Give a gentle loving touch, like you are touching to your beloved. So touch yourself, hug yourself, thankful to this universe, to all the living beings. Feel the gratitude towards everyone, to each person whom we meet in life. We will pray for the universal well-being. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all the beings in all the world be happy, be peaceful, be loving. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Enjoy this practice and do it every day. Just 20 minutes every day. And you will feel the immense beauty and calmness and peace, happiness, which is coming from the inside, not from the outside. So bye bye. Love you.